Good morning from Quartzsite, Arizona. It's currently the middle of December. This is our second year here in Quartzsite, and we often get asked how busy does Quartzsite really get. So our hope and our plan is to show you weekly videos of how this town of Quartzsite goes from 2,500 to 3,000 and then booms up to 1 million people during peak season, which is usually middle of January for the RV show and the RTR, the Rubber Tramp Rendezvous. My goal is going to be to show you via dashcam as well as drone footage. It'd be really neat to see the community swell and all the spots fill up with RVs and then slowly descend. So I hope you'll join us for that, and stay tuned. Subscribe and like and comment if you want to support our adventures. Hi, so we've had a few requests for the long format video, the full tour video of the big tent, Tyson Wells, and the 4 different LTVAs to be divvied up into smaller videos, a video per section. So I'm open to trying that. I'm gonna give it a go. We'll break up the December 11th tour into different quadrants and sections and different videos, so they'll be shorter. However, I will still produce the long format content right now with the full tour all in one video. When I do that, I do separate it with timestamps, which you can either fast forward to or look in the description of the video and click to exactly whether you want the dash cam of an area, the drone footage of an area. So there's still that option, so you don't, all the different videos don't get lost in the interweb for you. But we'll see how this goes. Okay, long-term visitor area ahead. Currently we are driving south on Highway 95. This road will eventually lead you to Yuma and to Mexico, but it is also how you access the La Posa South, North, West, and Tyson Wash LTVAs. Okay, let's check out La Posa West. Wow, I don't remember this being paved last year. That or just really nice gravel. Still lots of room for people, and this will fill up. All 4 of the long-term visitor areas all have garbage bins. So there's the one for the Posa West. Got some Christmas garland out and tinsel. Pretty neat. This is about as close as you can get to Quartzsite, especially the big RV show. The fence is basically on the other side of these shrubs here. Merry Christmas. So these people could just walk right into town, no big deal. So my impression is this becomes a very popular area for the big Class A's and people that don't have a tow behind vehicle or a tow vehicle. Pretty neat to drive around and look at all the different license plates. Last year pretty much saw almost every single state and almost every single province in Canada. I don't think I saw any of the territories from Canada. Even saw Alaska, Hawaii. People come from all over to stay in Quartzsite. Horseshoe pit. That's pretty neat. Even got rigs with patios on them, side by sides. Cute little RV there. Very cute. Right. And payphones. Oh, there's actually none there. I was gonna say that is a relic. So have the booths. I guess at one point they were functional. Okay, let's get the drone up here. There are multiple reasons why I decide to do these videos. For some people, they come here annually and they like to check out to see, is their quote-unquote regular spot available still? Other people, perhaps they're already here, they don't have access to a drone and think it'd be really neat to see themselves from a bird's eye view, even to share with family and friends to show where they are at. And for the people that have never ever been here, I thought it'd be a unique way to show what Quartzsite LTVA is really like, to give different perspectives, one from the ground and one from the sky. Next, we're going to head on over across the street to La Posa North